What I'm doing here is I'm wanting to have equal cuts. So now I'm going to find my centre. So what are we? 770. So that's 350, 25, 35, 30, what? 350 and 35, 85, 385. So 385 there. Cool. Right, what's the height? $350, so that's 25. 150 and 25. 150 and 25 is 175. $175. $175. Right, now where's my small level? That's too long. That's all right. Don't panic. I'll have to measure that though. So what did I say that was? $385. $385. Yeah, cool. $385. Yeah, so that line right around the framed perimeter that's where my tile ends up there. So if I go a little bit past, it'll be all lovely, but it'll be all equal, if you dig what I mean. If you understand that. I don't, but you guys might.